All right, okay, let me explain something to you. You might be thinking, why is GZ in slow motion? Let me explain something to you. It comes a point in every YouTuber's career that stuff like this can arouse if you're not really paying attention. Okay, this is my lack of paying attention to what I did. Listen, I left my high frame rate in basically 19.9 frames per second. And if anybody that's technologically literate can understand what that is, that means this video, this whole intro right now as we speak, it's in slow-mo. Okay? And you guys probably are wondering what I'm saying. I'm probably basically like, hey, you guys, look. It's Wavycakes in the building. Look, he's smiling, shaking his hair. You know what I mean? We're having fun here. And I don't know why I'm... Oh, that was the womp, 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 womp. That's what that was. But to get into the video, I know this intro is pretty long. And yeah, man, it's just technical difficulties, okay? However you want to call it. Let's just jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so if you guys don't know who this guy is, this is WavyCakes. Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram and YouTube. He has a YouTube channel. He's a waver. I say that to say this. As a waver, he wanted to scout. And I know you guys are probably thinking, scout? You mean to tell me you ain't going all the way down to at least a lever open against the grain? Scout? I know y'all probably wondering like, dang, this ain't no scout. But to a straight hair waver, scalping is like a 4 against the grain. You know what I mean? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm using my wall cordless seniors. These clippers right here, they basically knock bulk down faster than any other cordless clipper. So that's why I'm using this to knock everything down. Plus, I just like cordless clippers. So using my Endless Cordless T outliner, I'm setting in the bald line. Now I'm gonna set this guideline in a like rainbow-like shape, but my client wanted a high taper, almost as if it was a burst fade. You know, the picture that he showed me, it was like this guy that had long hair had a burst fade. So I tried to do my best to you know, duplicate what I was seeing at the same time. So this is like a real high taper. So using my Fabulous Gold FX shavers, I'm just gonna lighten up the bottom, making it razor bald. Using my Fabulous Gold FX with the lever open, I'm gonna go up about 1 inch, but notice how I'm using my corners at the hairline area. I'm not gonna go up so high, like 1 inch on that part. I'm basically going to keep that part a little shorter because I want my vertical bars to be a tad bit darker. So in the same way that I set the lever open, I'm going to set my one guard open the exact same way, going up about 1 inch. Now with the 2 guard open, I'm going up, but I'm not necessarily focused on going up like a certain amount. I'm basically focused on just knocking out that bulk, clearing that bulk, making sure everything flows into that top. Now coming back down to the 1 guard open, I'm cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2. Dropping down to the 0 guard close in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now, the best tip I could give you guys is to start below the line and flick to the line. And most times when I'm in this taper area, I use my corners as much as possible. I don't use the full blade because I keep my eye solely fixed on one edge of that blade, and I'm just going in, you know what I mean? I don't have to worry about looking at that other side as I'm trying to blend out everything. Work smart and just, you know, use those corners. So right now, with the lever open, I'm doing some cleanup work. Sometimes the 0 guard close doesn't take out everything, just based off of, you know, texture or whatever is the case. You want to creep back down to that lever open and kind of flick out using your corners. With the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. So it's always good to step away from the blend, look at something else for a quick second. Don't have to be too long, but come back and just refresh your eyes, or you can either look in the mirror, whatever you got to do your detail work. All right, this is where you have to go in and perfect those little you know, line of demarcations, the little parts where it's just like adding that extra touch to your blend. All right, it's one thing to set up these guidelines, it's another thing to blend them back down and just go in with this detail work. All right, doing the detail work helps you out longer in the long run. It helps you, for one, be a better barber and always looking at key things that you need just to perfect your blend, and it helps with the clientele. All right, your clientele is going to know that you're putting in that extra effort, and it just, man, it's just win-win for both situations. you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. This is my man, WavyCakes. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram and YouTube channel at WavyCakes. Hey, if you like the beat, make sure you go in the description below. HustleDreamProduction. That's my brother. He does all my beats. Make sure you guys subscribe to him. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. The cut is superb. What do we have here? What do we have here?
We got a do-rag.
Okay, alright. Yeah. That's clean. That's clean.
Got a wave cap.
Wave cap. This is a must. A wave cap is a must.
And a brush.
Open that up. Here, let me see. Open that up. Open that up. Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is a softie?
Yeah.
Where can you get this at?
WavyCakes.com.
You said WavyCakes.
WavyCakes.com.
Listen, you guys. Let's take it to the light. Let's take it to the light. Let's get the choir music in the background, please. Yes, yes, indeed. This is nice. Hey, who came up with the color though? Perfect choice.
And also the book. Best-selling, #1.
Let me see. You got instructions? It's instructions, or is it a story?
Oh, by the way, you're in it.
I'm in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, where my name at? Can I get my name? Let me see. Let's see if my name is in here.
There you go.
I don't know. It's looking a little skeptical right now.
No, you're in here. It is right here.
Okay. 360Jeezy, y'all see it. Come on now, I'm in WavyCakes books.
Big deal. The guy's a big deal. All right here. 360Jeezy's passionate about.
I'm in there like swimwear without a care with two pairs. I don't even know what that means. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hold on. Let me get one. Can I get one of the? Ooh, with the snap. All right, let's get this signature going. Ooh, okay.